I found this pack of wreath rings from Walmart. They came 3 in a pack, and I used the biggest one, which was 13.7 inches in diameter, and then I took a good pair of clippers and I just clipped an opening in the ring. I had a box of beads, and I took 5 of the 15 millimeter wood beads, and then I would put one 20 millimeter bead, and I just repeated that pattern until I made my way around the entire ring. I left about a 1/2 inch opening on each end of the ring, and using some E6000 glue, I glued the metal ring and put the ends together. Now you really want this to dry overnight, and I took some floral wire and just tightly wrapped around the exposed ring to just help hold it in place. I then found these ribbon scraps from Michael's. I believe they're about $3. And I took 4 strands of the colors that I wanted, and I just tied them along the bottom of the ring. And then I found these decorative clips in the Easter section at Walmart. I believe they're about $2 a clip. And I decided to remove the clip off the back, and using some floral wire, I just kind of sewed it through the back of the flower and then attached it to the bottom of the ring. Now you can use any type of flower that you want. They have nice arrangements at Hobby Lobby, or you can even use some of the paper florals from the scrapbooking section. And the wooden beads can be found at Michael's in a bucket of different sizes, or they sell them for a pretty reasonable price right on Amazon as well. And there you go. Now that was just a simple way that you can make your own wooden bead wreath, and I think it would look really nice added to a gallery wall. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Other tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel and paint products over on chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.